Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can view your card number on Capital One. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So for that matter, first of all, simply open up your Capital One app on your mobile phone, and right afterwards simply sign in with your login details. Then you will be able to see this kind of home page, including your account's details. So first you're going to do is you're going to tap on that account type of which you want to see the card number of. Now go ahead, tap on it. Upon doing that, you will find this kind of interface, including you can see your Capital One Venture card right over there, and you can see your current balance as well. So the thing is, there will be some number will be shown, but full total 16-digit number of yours won't be shown of your card for the security purpose, because if it will be this easy accessible, then anyone could just check it with your login details by simply logging in and checking your card. That will simply make you in trouble. So for that matter, you can only check out your last four digit of your card. But if you really want to check out the total number of it, you can go to the transaction statements of yours and see if you have done any transaction with your card's detail. So you might get your number from there. So this is it for now. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.